the matching numbers Nash 600 Fastback Sedan. These were very limited, highly collectible, and an important piece of Nash history. With production out of the US a low number of only 7,300 assembled to this specification, these are an incredibly rare sight, especially in Australia. These cars were fitted with a 3.8 litre inline 6-cylinder engine driven through a 3-speed manual transmission. They also had such features as a 2-way ball bearing steering assembly that made these cars an absolute pleasure to drive. This spacious 4-door design was a vehicle of practicality and power, with the capability of producing 82 brake horsepower, the answer to the market's demands of the classy and moderately fast release.